Welcome to our exploration of metals, one of the most important categories of elements in chemistry. Metals are fascinating materials that make up the majority of the periodic table. Today, we'll discover what makes these elements unique by examining their key properties: conductivity, malleability, and luster. These characteristics make metals indispensable in our everyday lives, from the wires that carry electricity to the cookware in our kitchens. Let's start by understanding where metals live on the periodic table. Metals occupy the left side and center regions of the periodic table, making up about 3/4 of all known elements. They are organized into several important groups: alkali metals in Group 1, alkaline earth metals in Group 2, transition metals in the center block, and post-transition metals toward the right. This left side dominance is a key pattern that helps us quickly identify metallic elements. Metals share 3 defining characteristics that set them apart from other elements. First, they are conductive, meaning they efficiently transport heat and electricity. Second, they are malleable, which means they can be hammered or pressed into thin sheets without shattering. Third, they are lustrous, displaying a shiny, reflective surface when polished. These 3 properties work together to make metals incredibly versatile materials for countless applications. Conductivity is perhaps the most technologically important property of metals. Metals contain free-flowing electrons that move easily throughout their atomic structure. This electron mobility allows metals to conduct both electricity and heat with remarkable efficiency. For electrical conductivity, think of copper wires used in electronics and power transmission systems. For thermal conductivity, consider aluminum cookware that distributes heat evenly across its surface, ensuring your food cooks uniformly. Malleability is the ability of metals to be deformed under pressure without breaking or cracking. When you hammer or press a metal, its atoms slide past each other while maintaining their metallic bonds. This property is spectacularly demonstrated by gold leaf, which can be hammered so thin it reaches only 0.0001 millimeters in thickness, yet remains intact for decorative applications. Similarly, aluminum can be rolled into the familiar foil we use for packaging and cooking. Luster refers to the characteristic shine and reflective quality of metal surfaces. When polished, metals reflect light efficiently, creating their distinctive bright appearance. This happens because the free electrons in metals interact with light waves, bouncing them back to our eyes. Silver is used as a highly reflective coating for mirrors and telescopes because of its exceptional luster. Polished steel showcases this property in everyday items like appliances and architectural elements, where its shiny finish adds both beauty and functionality. Beyond the core 3 properties, metals exhibit several other important characteristics. Ductility allows metals to be drawn into thin wires without breaking, which is essential for electrical wiring. Most metals have high density, making them heavier than nonmetals of similar size. They generally have high melting points, requiring substantial heat to transition from solid to liquid state. Finally, metals are sonorous, meaning they produce ringing sounds when struck, which is why bells and musical instruments are often made from metal. Let's review what we've learned about metals. First, metals are located on the left side of the periodic table, comprising the majority of known elements. Second, 3 defining properties characterize all metals. They are conductive, malleable, and lustrous. Finally, these unique properties make metals absolutely essential for modern technology and industry, from electrical systems to construction materials. Understanding these metallic properties helps us appreciate why metals are so prevalent in the world around us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.